Hey everyone, today we're going to replace the Ford Ranger door handle. Ours is broken on one of the sides, as you can see. The first thing you want to do is remove the 3 screws on the face. There's 2 right behind the door handle. The 2 that we had, one of them was with some non-standard screw that we ended up replacing with a better, I wouldn't say better type, but we put a big washer as the door was actually cracked. Alright, we did this out of order. It's easier to take the panel off by unplugging the 2 cables, which you'll see next, and then remove the screw, but it still works this way. For these plugs, there's 2 little snaps on them. The one that's on the inside is difficult to get to. I just found it easier to remove the one side, tilt it over, and pop the other one off. The door just lifts up. Make sure you don't grab the cables and take it off. Alright, this is just a good view of what you're trying to work with. You can see the bar on the right is what actually unlocks the door. You can also see the 2 rivets that we have to drill out. That is in between the 2 plastic pieces. Here's just simple. Cut the handle off so you can get to the rivets. These are what you got to drill out. We did not have a metal drill bit, so we kind of just had to make things work. I recommend getting a metal bit so you can drill through a lot easier. Alright, I'm not going to show how we remove the handle, but we found out later that there's a little white clip here that you can see. You flip this down and it makes it so you can remove the bar. Once you remove the bar, it makes removing the old handle easy. Here we just got a nut and bolt, nothing special. That way you can replace the rivet. Be sure to test it and make sure it works at this point before you start putting the door back together. Here's the two screws that we added washers to or replaced the screw, just what we had in the